Welcome to Mansell and Associates videos. In this video, we feature one of our smaller units we call the Little Girl. This is a skid unit which can be set on a slab, and with gas and electrical connections, one can immediately charge and melt. While this is a rotary tilt furnace in this video, remember all of our furnaces up to 150 cubic feet molten capacity can be built on a 360-degree swivel base to allow charging, pouring off, and slag off at any location around its base. The Little Girl is being moved outside on the concrete drive, where you will see just how simple the process of de-ironing whole engines and irony scrap can be accomplished. This particular model has a hood with afterburner, not needed when melting clean aluminum such as never used engine blocks. Shown here, as mentioned earlier, is a super melter with swivel base, which allows charging, pouring, and slag off at different locations. With the unit in place, it is the customer's choice to charge the unit with scoop on forklift or by conveyor. Here in the video, we see that the Little Girl can handle complete engines. After a rotating melt cycle is complete, the door is swung into the open position. The furnace is tilted forward into the pouring position, where one can see an amazing pour-off stream of aluminum. Less time in a furnace with irony scrap means less irony contamination of the aluminum. Here is the healthy pour-off of molten aluminum, and guess what? The irony scrap is still in the barrel, clean as a pin, ready to be slagged off and sold separately. A simple solution and simple to operate. After this amazing pour-off, let's get ready for an equally amazing slag-off. Wow, what an amazing slag off. Crankshafts, manifolds, irony scrap of all descriptions, sleeves, inserts, all left in the barrel of the furnace to be slagged off. Even small wires remain in the furnace. This container of irony scrap tells the complete story. This is why one of our satisfied customers refers to his rotary slag-off furnace as his secret weapon. Give Mansell and Associates a call. Our phone number is at the beginning of the video. Our engineering department and Ed will help design any rotary furnace, any capacity, for any use that you have de-ironing of your aluminum scrap. thank you for watching the video, and give Ed a call. Thanks.